Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do dish it out mission in Skate 4. So it is not that hard to do. So let's just respawn right here, skip the intro, and let's go. So just right here, don't try to jump inside that pool or how you call it. Just go right here, go next to the rails to the right, and go right here into the center. And what you'll need to do is a flip trick. Then you'll need to do a grab, and after that you can try just the best sequence, so get some speed and do some freestyle tricks just like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do dish it out mission in Skate 4. So thank you guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe it and see you in the next one.